Two individuals gunned down in St. James. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. A man and his nephew were shot and killed in a drive-by shooting along the Tucker Main Road in St. James on Friday morning. Police investigators who are processing the scene have not yet released the identities of the victim, but have confirmed that one of the individuals was employed to the St. James Municipal Corporation. It is reported that at about 8 a.m., the men were traveling from the direction of Spring Mount towards Montego Bay, when on reaching a section of the roadway they were ambushed by a gunman traveling in another motor car. The attackers opened fire, hitting both men multiple times. The driver of the car reportedly lost control and crashed into an embankment. Both men were assisted by a passing motorist to the Cornell Regional Hospital, where they both succumbed to their injuries. This has been Link 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.